Hello and welcome to the Merriam Library. My name is Lance and I'm a librarian at CSU Chico. This video is part of a series where we discuss research skills and resources that will help make your academic life a little bit easier. Everything I will talk about can be found on the Merriam Library website, library.csuchico.edu, which I will also link to in the description. In this video, I will talk about filters and how to use them to improve your research. Once you have entered your keywords and hit search, you will be shown a long list of resources of varying degrees of helpfulness. To help narrow this list of resources further, you can use the list of filters on the left to limit what you're being shown. There are many different filters, and they are all worth looking at. However, in this video, I will just cover some of the more commonly used filters. For example, many of your professors will require that sources for an assignment be from peer-reviewed resources. Under the Availability tab, you can choose to be shown just articles that come from peer-reviewed journals. At the bottom of the filter list, you can filter by publication date, which is another key filter. In most cases, you should only use the most recent resources. A good guideline is to use resources that were published no more than 10 years ago. You can also limit your results to only show resources that are fully available online. One filter that is commonly overlooked but can be very useful in a pinch is to include results from other CSU libraries. All CSU libraries share resources, and another school might have something useful that we don't. If you see an item like that in your results, you can request to borrow it through interlibrary loan. The book will be sent to Merriam Library, and you can borrow it at no cost, just like a regular book. This process can sometimes take a few days, so it's best to request items early in the paper writing process. Now that you know how to use filters, you can search much more effectively. Thanks for watching, and maybe take a look at some of our other videos to learn more about how to use Merriam Library.